Hi, this is TJ, and a very warm welcome to another exciting episode of Prime Time with TJ. So it's been really great experience interacting with you every week on Tuesdays. As I already mentioned that I am really loving this Prime shows, and it's giving me lots of opportunity to learn, to explore, and to speak on different topics, the variety of topics. And I really appreciate your comments, your feedback, and your suggestions to speak on different topics. Today I have very interesting topic to discuss, and that is called empower your learning skills using NLP. Have you ever imagined that how our learnings used to be during our childhoods? Isn't it like we have been a great learner when we were kids? We learn initially, we learn how to talk and how to walk and how to interact with people. We learn different languages very easily. Then we go to school, and in school we learn different subjects. And then we go to colleges and go to our degree colleges, and then some people also go and pursue their post graduation, and then after that we either lined up in doing our businesses or earning money for our livelihood. After this process, our learning actually get stopped. We don't bother on learning new skills, upgrading ourselves, because we are so much busy in our routine, we are so much busy in our day-to-day life that we don't have time to learn structurally. But let me tell you, learning is not only just going to an institute or going to a teacher or doing a structured learning. There can also be a concept called self-learning. When now in this information age, we can learn from various ways, and we can do self-learning through internet, watching some videos and doing some e-learning courses, all this. But apart from this, today I'm going to talk about a very interesting skill in self-learning, which is called modeling excellence. Have you ever thought that a person who is really good in terms, a person who is really good in presentation, or a person who is really good in public speaking, or a person who is really good in writing, or there are so many skills. In every skill we might find n number of expert person. So can we learn from them? Yes, we can learn from them. In NLP, it has been said that if one person can do the thing, the other person can also do the same thing. Also, every experience, NLP also say that every experience has a structure or a pattern behind it. So to get to that experience or get to that level, we need to understand that structure and pattern behind it. So how do we do that? In NLP, it is called modeling the excellence. How we do the modeling excellence? For example, consider I want to learn a presentation skill from someone who is really a great presentation, not a presenter, like he has an amazing skill to develop presentations and deliver it to all kind of audiences. So what we can do? So there are three steps in this to learn the modeling excellence. First step is find out an expert person or a genius person who has expertise in a particular area. Then step two is take a time and take an appointment with him and go and try to observe his unconscious patterns. What do I mean by unconscious pattern? I will let you know. The third step is, as you understand the unconscious pattern or the structure behind it, then you can imagine yourself doing it by using visualization tool or any other tool in NLP. So the second step is really important. What happens is a person who has ability or is expert in a particular thing or a particular skill, he is doing it as unconscious level. Everything get programs at his unconscious, his or her unconscious level. What we need to do is we need to understand his pattern at unconscious level. How can we do that? Suppose if we go to him and ask him, um, just tell me, how do you prepare great presentations? He said, I just do that. He will not open up. To open up his subconscious mind, we need to ask him very open-ended questions or clean questions which will help you to take out the structure or the pattern within him to do the to do with which he is doing the presentation. And how do we do that? For example, rather than asking him just a question, how do you prepare a good presentation, we can ask him a question: what makes you feel good about your presentation, or what makes you happy about your presentation, or when do you feel that you have prepared a very good presentation? Such questions will directly strike your subconscious mind, and the such clean questions will help you to open his subconscious mind. And as you go on speaking to him, he will come up with the structure, and as you know the structure, you can write it down and absorb it in yourself and practice it, and definitely you can model the excellence of that person. So this is three really very easy steps. First, find out the genius. Second, at subconscious level, try to model his expertise, his or her expertise. And third, see yourself doing the same thing. So this is a very exciting tool and very useful tool in NLP, which is called modeling excellence. So how do we learn the skill to ask questions, and how do we learn the skills to absorb the best structure or pattern within our subconscious mind? So to do that, NLP has different tools. NLP teach you what language you can use for your subconscious mind or the other person's subconscious mind, so that it opens up and give you the result what you want. So if you are really excited to learn NLP with me, please join my upcoming masterclass by clicking the link given in this video. And it is a free masterclass, but it's important to register. The masterclass is on coming Sunday. Till then, I will see you in my masterclass. Till then, feel happy, feel blessed. Thank you very much.